a recipe on how to make chicken mandi for around 25 to 30 people. First, take a whole chicken and use a knife to make marks in the chicken so that spices can get inside the meat. After preparing the chicken, you'll need to make a powder using coriander seeds, fennel seeds, cumin, green cardamoms, cloves, black cardamom, star anise, cinnamon sticks, mace, and nutmeg. Then you'll roast it and grind it to make a powder. After this, add chili powder and salt into the cut up chicken, add the mandi powder, add yogurt, add ginger garlic paste, and mix well. Then after this, marinate for a few hours. Till the chicken is marinating, you will now prepare a sauce to serve with the food. Make the chili sauce. You will need red dried chili, salt, and garlic. Then grind it till it's a paste. Now in a separate pot, heat some oil and add green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick, and cumin seeds. Now add chopped onions, and then add green chili. Stir in the oil until the onions are golden brown. Take out the marinated chicken and add it into the pot. After putting in all the chicken, you'll add mandi powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. Then add ginger garlic paste and add water. Stir well and then add a lid and cook on low heat. While the chicken is cooking, take out basmati rice and soak it in water. Once chicken is fully cooked, remove it and add it to another pan to roast it. Then with the remaining gravy, add the rice. After that, add salt to taste and water. The chicken is cooked and the rice is preparing, we can start making the toppings. Fry raisins for a few minutes and then keep aside. Then do the same with cashews. After preparing the mixed nuts, you'll now chop carrots and fry them. You will have to fry them until they are cooked and soft. After finishing cooking the carrots, you will make your white sauce using yogurt, mayonnaise, vinegar, sugar, and then salt. Then add Italian seasoning. Then add black pepper powder. Then mix in either lemon or lime. And mix well. Now heat coal for a smoky chicken flavor. Now in a separate tray, add the rice. Then add the roasted chicken and the fried cashews and raisins. Put the carrots and coriander. For a smoky flavor, add foil and then add coal inside. Add oil into the heated coal and quickly close it up. Lastly, cut up lettuce and tomatoes to eat on the side of the mandi. Now with this, the mandi is fully prepared.